Okay, so here's the paint stripper in the bottle. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it on, mostly to the green parts, and then once that's all set, I'll take a brush over it and brush it up, lather it on. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty time-consuming project, but hopefully when it's all done, all said and done, it'll be worth it, you know. I think I'm gonna go with camo, and I'll actually show you guys how to camo too. You just pretty much take a leaf and you get a maple leaf. I like the maple leaves. You could use any leaf wherever you guys are from. And you just spray it on with a couple different coats of paint, different colors. They make a boat paint for it. But yeah, I mean, it should be good. I hope it works pretty nice, soaks in. There's a little bit of water from power washing, but I hope that doesn't affect it too much. It might dilute it a bit, but yeah. So keep you guys updated, and let's get this real good. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna paint it on. So grab a paintbrush. Use the shittiest brush you guys have, because this stuff will eat through your paint brush, and you don't want to ruin a $30 paintbrush. Just get it all lathered up in there. Okay. Okay. Alright, yeah, you guys get it. So I'll do another video. Hopefully somebody will record it for me, and while I'm power washing, you guys will see how that goes.